How to fix Windows cannot connect to printer error or the Windows print error, that is 0x00000 and 011b. Hi everyone, this is me Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will see how we can fix Windows cannot connect to printer error. So without further delay, let's get started. So this type of error typically occurs when a client PC tries to connect to a shared printer over a network and fails. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, on your host computer you have to press Windows and R key in your keyboard. Now on this run command, type in REGEDIT, press enter in your keyboard, and here click on yes. So once the registry editor opens up in your device, from this folders here you have to go to add key local machine. Expand this folder. Now again you have to go to the system, expand the system folder. Now under system you have to go to the current control set, expand this folder again, and after that again hit towards the control. Once you are here, you have to search for print. Press P in your keyboard, scroll down a bit, and here is print. Click on this print directory. After that, navigate to the right hand side, click on the empty space, and here click on new, and now go to the DWORD 32-bit value. Click on this. Now you have to name this file. You have to name this file capital R PC and then AUTH RPC auth and capital L OCAL local, again capital P RIVACY, that is privacy, and as last enabled ENABLED. So here you have to name this file as RPC auth and local privacy enabled. So type this exact name and then you have to press enter. Now again click on this file here. Now you have to set the name or the value for this file to 0, then click on OK. Now once you set this value to 0, then you have to restart the host PC, the one that you're sharing the printer. So after that, again on your client PC you have to go to the control panel. So again on your client PC, open up control panel. From here you have to head towards the devices and printer. So here go to printers and scanner, and then here on the add a printer or scanner, click on add a printer. After that you may get an option to add a printer using a TCP IP address or hostname. There you have to enter your host PC's IP address and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. And also try to update your print drivers on both of your client and on your host PC, and that will help you fix your problem. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.